If you want Chrome to show the most visited sites shortcut on your new tab page, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. It's a simple setting, but it can make your browser much faster to use because your favorite websites are always easier to reach. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Chrome tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac to open a new tab. You can also click the plus icon if that's easier. Once the new tab opens, look to the bottom right corner of the page and click the Customize Chrome button. This is usually shown as a pencil icon and it opens Chrome's customization options. After that, a side panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In that panel, scroll down until you find the Shortcuts section. This is where Chrome controls what shortcut tiles appear on your new tab page. Turn on shortcuts if it is not already enabled. Once shortcuts are turned on, look for the option labeled Most Visited Sites. Select that option and Chrome will automatically suggest shortcuts based on the websites you visit most often. This is great if you want quick access to the pages you use every day without having to search for them again and again. After selecting Most Visited Sites, you can close the side panel and your new tab page should now begin showing your most visited website shortcuts. If you don't see them right away, open a new tab again and give Chrome a moment to update. And that's it. You've now enabled the Most Visited Sites shortcut in Google Chrome. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you time every single day. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Chrome tips and browser settings tutorials. Thanks for watching.